watching idiotic ramblings with life is good. Keep the wheels turning and the chicken lights burning. Come on. Oh, and don't forget your high-speed chicken feed there, Roger.
All right, it's a beautiful Sunday morning. A little misty rain. Got some exciting news today. We're gonna go pick us up a new car. Got to take delivery of a new car. Show you just. Okay, so I got to turn the switch on. Yeah, everybody wants to know about the old boat still sitting there. We'll get around fixing it when warmer weather gets here. All right, so we're gonna take the Dodge. A little road trip today. Got all this junk, so I got more junk sitting around. Place starting to look like a junkyard. Remember, I already made one of those videos. Look like a junkyard. It's fixing to get to be worse of a junkyard. Because we're taking possession of a new car today. Pretty exciting. Haven't owned a car in quite a few years. So we're going to see if we can't take possession here of a little bit of a road trip. There used to be a fence post right there and I couldn't do that. And we have arrived. Check it out. Pretty long commute there. So what we have one of the worst cars in the world. Notorious junk. Let's go check it out. And the reason why these things are notorious junk is they're rotary engines and they're not worth a flip. I don't know what year is this. What year do you think this is, Joe?
Probably 06 or 08.
Yeah, but a Mazda Rx-8 with a rotary. She doesn't run. It ran when it got here, and he had it sold. He went to make delivery, and will you hold that check, Joe? Thank you. He went to make delivery of it, and it quit running when he got down there to deliver it. I'm not a big fan of those wheels, but she's all in all in pretty good shape. Uh-oh, I had it open yesterday. Oh, the seatbelt got stuck. All right, so all in all, she's pretty good shape. So I like it. So if we can't get it to running, we will LS swap it. Show you the under the hood here. You can LS swap anything. Ain't that right, Joe?
Yes, sir.
I think a 454 would fit on the hood quite nicely. Can do that with one hand. There we go. Will that stay up there? Thank you for the help there, Joe. So, is that where it goes? I think it goes right there, Joe. Bunch of rookies. We don't know what we're doing. Oh, I'm sorry. I was focused on the camera. All right, so there you go. Little worst engines ever built. But these little cars have got a great frame, great rear ends. They're sweet little drivers, man. But you put a little LS in that thing, it should be wicked. But that's what we got. 500 US American dollars is what we paid for that. So probably shouldn't have told that because we'll probably fix it, build it, sell it. Everybody trying to lowball me. But yeah, that's got a complete transmission tunnel. It's kind of weird, isn't it? All right, let's get her going. Let's get her home. All right, guys, I got an update. Gotta go get a battery for it. I'm fairly convinced a good hot battery might fix it. We're hoping. Put the booster cables on it. It fired once, but didn't run. So we're gonna go buy a battery and stick on it. See what happens. All my batteries right here are top post, but they're all backwards. The Mazda, I should say the Mazda's backward. The hot post is on the wrong end of the battery. So we gotta go find a battery. All right, so we went and got the battery. I'm gonna put a good hot battery on it and see what happens. So we got some brand new hot battery. Let's see what she does. I don't know anything about rotary engines. Let's see if she's. Let's see what happens. I got lights in here, man. DSC off. It turns over a lot faster. Gas needle's showing empty. She's trying. Keep trying. Give it some gas.
Try it again.
I vote we put gas in. All right, so now we got a half a tank of gas. Let it prime a little. Is the fuel pump still running?
Turn the key off and back on.
Oh, it's not like the Peterbilt. Peterbilt, it'll quit running after a while. It'll prime itself and it'll stop running.
I'll try.
Really? She's firing, but so fire's a good thing, right? Should I give it any gas?
It'll pick it up on time.
Is it gonna run?
Just keep turning.
We got fire, which is good.
Hold that key down. Wow. Hold that key down.
Hold it down?
Yeah, hold that. Now give some gas.
Uh-oh. Now what happened?
It's trying to run.
Oh, the rotor, you gotta hold it down?
No, but
It's not firing now. What happened?
keep going.
Don't give it no gas.
It ain't firing now at all.
When I'm not busy stocking the office with Skittles, I'm watching idiotic ramblings. Come on now.